Ngā toa whakamutunga ki tēnei o ngā whira.
We're underway in the final here on Whakata Māori, and there's plenty to look forward to, and the penalty early on, Medi.
Yeah, the penalty early on would be a good start here for the Hamilton boys. The Trons are looking to probably go wide and get some space, but that defence there is very solid.
It's going to be hard fought, Moiho, o Whakaro o Te Kēmu, nei?
Ana, hei tuatahi ake kia mōhio ai koutou kōwai āwai, me kiko te kapa kiri roa, kei a rātou te pōro i tēnei wā. Wai poroporo ana me te pango ngā kākahu, kei te taha maui, ko te kapa o te wā kāinga nei, ngā raukura in the blue, yellow and red strip. Yeah, it's going to be a good contest. I feel that both teams are deserving to be here. Mai rāno te mana o ēnei poraka.
What about that run there from the number 11 was right on the money, wasn't it? Oliver Guerin, who scores the first try. Who is going to make the play? Into the hands of Norman. Alive for Brayley. Brayley around one, and Brayley will come in to score. Perhaps could have improved the situation for the Kings. Now I'm going to make sure you don't get there. Desperate tackle. Still danger time here for Hamilton. They're running with confidence at the moment. And the numbers are there, and there he is on the far side of the field. He's the Mr. Everywhere man.
You can do whatever you want on there, but you're
And head there.
Well, here they come. This guy's quick as he's lightning quick. As we see the ball out to Jai Tamati. He's been good. Again, it's Kunavave. Lovely work here. Thummer. Beautiful offload from Thummer into Tawara Milosevic. And he's in, streaking through and scores right underneath the black dot, so to speak.
He opens it up here. Sonny Bill Williams on the outside, and he gets it. Before that, Kunavavi actually moved the defence so that he could actually open it up a little bit.
They've got to issue the challenges now, Hamilton. They've got to be next to score, or else it's done dinner. They know that too. This man's got the capability of doing just that. It's Ollie Mathis on the streaking run, and Mathis will go all the way. No one will stop him. He's big, powerful and athletic, but he's also got speed to burn. The penalty will win the tournament for Hamilton Boys High School, so certainly do not write them off. So you've got players like Mathis, and there's one break. There's a runner as well. Desperate times here is the number 8, Shadows, Wyndham Patuawa. Well, you're getting the feeling something's building here for the lads from Waikato. Charging up is Ollie Mathis once again. He's been a real problem. Take it around, they're saying. Take it around closer. And there is the try. And it's been scored. And the referee is hung up. He reckons there was a knee in.
Ki ngā tuāhuatanga kua whakawhāriki here.
Great kick though to start off with. Hasn't reached the 10, so the boys from Rotorua will want to keep it, but they've given the penalty away.
And they know that success is theirs now. And they'll just have to finish this one off 21-19. And hats off to the way that Hamilton have fought back. They'll kick the ball to the touch, and they will be crowned the 2023 Super 8 Sevens champions, and a deserved victory in the final against the hosts school, Rotorua Boys High School.
Māori Active.